seen are the muscles of the front of the forearm. So the muscles of the front of the forearm are divided into superficial group and deep group. These muscles, they originate from the medial epicondyle of the humerus, and these muscles are, as we go from, because this is a lateral side, you can see this is a thumb, so this is a lateral side. So the muscle, first muscle which is seen over here, this is the, I told you, this median nerve is piercing this muscle, you can see, and this is the pronator teres. This muscle is pronator teres, which is being pierced by the median nerve. Then medial to pronator teres, you can see the tendon of flexor carpi radialis. See, this is a tendon of flexor carpi radialis. Okay? Medial to the tendon of flexor carpi radialis is a thin tendon. This is the tendon of palmaris longus. This is also, all these are originating from, common origin is from the medial epicondyle of humerus. So this tendon is slender tendon which is passing superficial to, now here see this structure, these transverse fibers, this is the flexor retinaculum, and you can see the tendon of palmaris longus is passing superficial to the flexor retinaculum, and flexor retinaculum is a modification of the deep fascia in the hand. Then lateral to medial to palmaris longus is this tendon, this deep muscle, this bulky muscle. This is the flexor digitorum superficialis, and this is going deep to flexor retinaculum. Actually this muscle splits into 4 slips for each of the fingers, but that is visible only when we cut the flexor retinaculum, so which we will be doing after showing you this dissection. So this muscle is flexor digitorum superficialis, which splits into 4 slips. And the most medial muscle over here is this muscle. This is the flexor carpi ulnaris. So if to revise, we have got pronator teres. This is flexor carpi, flexor radialis, okay, longus. Then this is palmaris longus. Okay, this is flexor carpi radialis. This is palmaris longus. This is flexor digitorum superficialis, and this is flexor carpi ulnaris. This is the tendon of flexor carpi ulnaris. And here you can see the flexor retinaculum, and this palmaris longus, this tendon is passing superficial to the flexor retinaculum.